don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 4, Tshakhuma 1. I'm joined by Z.
Well, the moment that you have been waiting for has finally arrived, and we are here at the Moses Mabhida Stadium, or should I say arena, because Orlando Pirates no longer plays in
a stadium.
Exactly, you know what I mean. Oh, and kudos to my team and kudos to the coach. I am very proud to see Sesane coming back, and Talent Mbata, I say he's my man of the match. The way how he handled, how he bossed the midfield, well done to him. And Andre de Jong, well done to you. You are coming through, you are coming through. And I did say before the game started, I once did say that we are going to win 3-1, we are going to win 2-0, but then no, the boys excellated, and you are watching Waterbowl. So make sure that you fasten the seatbelts, because in this Suzuki, it is going down. The moment that you have been waiting for has finally arrived. Stay tuned.
Thank you, sister.